The outstanding local employees of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor received awards from the Pakistani Minister of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, ASEAN Iqbal, at a ceremony held in the Chinese Embassy in Islamabad last Friday. The award-winning employees told Xinhua that they have been provided with ample opportunities to show their talent.
I'm very excited. I have no word to express the feeling. I learned from them how to do work and how to manage the team and organize the meetings and everything. I learned from them.
My experience with Chinese is totally like this is a reshaping of my work, because before I work over there, but yes, Chinese culture, Chinese traditions is totally different, and it's reshaping in my life after I joined China State.
The employees working on different projects told Xinhua that the incentive mechanism will drive them to work harder and make their due contributions to the CPEC. Launched in 2013, the CPEC is a corridor linking Pakistan's Gwadar port with Kashmir in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation.